stairs for me, alright? Bottom of the stairs, perfect. Alright, let's see what Alrighty, over here, come on in. There you go. Alrighty, so real quick before we go ahead and start wandering and taking some pictures. This is the immigration room. It is our Orlando facility, so it's a little smaller than the one that's in New York. The New York facility has a lot more aliens coming in and out. Ours is closed so that obviously the theme park guests can come through and learn our training facility procedures. Over here, we usually have 2 aliens. One's on vacation right now. His brother, Bob, is, he just got back from vacation. He was looking really, really tan. So his other brother got jealous and was like, man, I need to go on vacation and get tan too, okay? One thing, his brother gets very jealous if you sit in his chair, so make sure not to sit in that chair. Any other chair in here, you're totally welcome to sit in, okay? I always encourage it. It looks really great for photos, and they're actually pretty comfortable. If you walk over here, we have what we call our Galaxy Poker game. What happened is that the aliens like to play for not currency because they all live on different planets, but instead Galaxy rule. So how it works is they play a really intense game of poker, but obviously since they're playing for a galaxy, they get very, very heated and they decide that they need to go and breathe for a bit. So we went ahead and told them that we'd glue down their cards so that nobody would be caught cheating, and when they come back, they're going to resume their game, okay? You're welcome to sit in here and take as many pictures as you like. Over here, you'll see all types of earthly visitation registrations. And we should have some blank ones that you can fill out if you would like. Just like these. You're just going to fill out the bottom part, the best parts about them. You write your human name. You're going to write your alien name, how long you're going to be on Earth, and then what type of species you identify as, and what type of purpose you're here for, okay? If you're here for touring the facility, a work visit, visiting family, or vacation. Make sense? So be creative with them. Be however creative and fun you want to be. Otherwise, feel free to take as many pictures as you want, and I'm going to be here as long as possible so I can take as many pictures as you guys need me to. Make sense? Alright, feel free to walk around, look at anything. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay,
alright, thank you.
To follow CDC guidelines and to wear face coverings while indoors. Thank you for your cooperation.
Soon be trained in a variety of intergalactic surveillance techniques designed to keep our planet being viewers observed.
It's like tracking when you're brain. Potentially all enlightening training. Helping to feed you. Like previously on the CPU, please observe the video playback for additional background.
Sporting very stylish uniform. But if by some chance you choke, let's just say that our friendly experienced counselor.
To follow CDC guidelines.
Current closure. 8, 7, 6, 5. Planetary implosion averted. Have a nice.
Never know over on their folks. Many of you may be wondering, are resident aliens really that common here on Earth? After all, how many?
You've joined the MRP bus. You need to look for between.
It's like we got taken out of the naughty room right now. Yeah, we just got out of detention.
Okay, so if y'all want to ride again, obviously I will totally be fine with that. If you guys don't, you are totally welcome to make your way down this right side. So first things first, especially when you're going on this ride, you want to make sure that you're holding down the trigger. Very important. It turns your gun or your zapper into rapid fire mode. Number two, you want to make sure that you're shooting at second floor aliens. The higher they are, and the higher they are, and the more that they look like they're hiding, they know they're worth more. So they're going to try and hide behind buildings and behind walls or duck down. Going off of the green side on your left side when you're loading. Very important thing, there's going to be a baby carriage that is full of an alien. You want to try and shoot it and zap it as many times as possible. Super important because those are worth the most right there. And finally at the very end, you're going to see a red button on the console right here. That red button at the very end, when you see a really big alien, you're going to press it, it's going to light up, and that's going to give you 100,000 bonus points right across your screen. Super important, it's super easy to forget because you're going to be doing that training session for 5 whole minutes. Make sense?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
You're going to load on right here. Good luck out there.
Alright, thank you so much.
Oh,